If you've ever thought about using a trading bot or finding a way to automate your trades, but you thought it was too risky, too complicated, too much coding, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how trading automation works, how to set it up safely, and the easiest way to start right now without having to know any additional coding, even if you've never written one line of code in your life. Okay, so before we get into the actual automation, why would we want to do this in the first place? Well, when it comes to automations, there's a couple things that come to the forefront of my mind, at least. We sleep. Bots don't. Most of us have to work and we can't sit in front of a screen all day. And even if we were to sit in front of a screen all day, any of us who've had that experience, go back to the pandemic, if you did sit in front of a screen all day and you tried to day trade left and right, did you actually make money or did you lose money? You probably got emotional. You probably took way too many trades. You probably started trading one strategy and then you added another one, and then you forgot how the first one worked. And so you weren't even taking the trades that you thought you were supposed to be taking in the first place. Any edge you had is completely out the window. But if we had a robot that just traded one strategy and we were like, hey, just do this one thing, like just keep doing that. And then maybe we added a second one, a third one, a fourth one over time, but they all stayed in their own lane and did their own thing and had their own edge. Well, now we're talking. There's just some things that the human brain just can't handle, and this could be one of them, at least for the vast majority of people. But there is a big problem. Right now, in the trading community, in the trading world, there are a ton of black box bots. What I mean by that is there are people trying to sell you a trading bot or a trading automation that they've created and you have absolutely no control over. They're telling you it works, you don't actually know, and you're putting your money into something that you have no clue if it actually will return or not. Okay, so now we know that, let's break down exactly how automation works and how we can do it safely even as a beginner. First, we have to start mentally before we go technically. There are three main mistakes that people who jump into trading bots often make. Number one, they think that trading automation is going to be guaranteed profits. You could automate a really good strategy and it could make money. You can also automate a strategy that loses and you're going to lose money. Mistake number two is you over leverage and you ignore risk settings. You might have a very profitable trading bot and it might look really great in a back test or through the past history. So you go all in and you ignore the potential that there is for drawdowns and just standard losing trades inside of an uptrend. And mistake number three, you're not monitoring your bot. Bots are great. AI is cool. We're going to get there at some point. But realistically, right now, if you want the most success, you have to at least monitor and check in. Make sure it's actually doing what it's supposed to be doing. If it's not, you can go in and make customizations, adjust risk, or change out different strategies because you ultimately have to have that final say and that final control. Okay, let's get into the process of actually automating. You're going to need one of two things. Right now, plenty of places are going to give you a trading bot. All you got to do is pay them, give them some money, and see what happens. That's super risky. That's not what this video is about. You could create your own trading strategy via something like TradingView. If you've never done so or you want to learn more about that, please leave a comment below and we can make a full video diving deeper into how to create your own TradingView strategy. That's for more of the advanced traders, but there is another option. The second option is you can use a pre-built trading strategy on a site like AlphaInsider. So here I am on AlphaInsider. We've got a couple of trading bots up on the top. That's where I can see them. But if I scroll down, we can sort through trading strategies. I can sort through low risk, crypto, stock strategies. I can even custom filter this to find exactly what I'm looking for. I can customize my drawdown. I can tell you how many trades it takes and the price points, all of that, whatever sectors I want. But there's a huge difference when you use a site like AlphaInsider. Not saying this is the only way, but AlphaInsider verifies every trade. So all of the dots here, we can even scroll down to all of the trade timelines. Every trade is verified by a third-party data feed. So this is legitimate. When a trading strategy is created on TradingView and the buy and sell alerts get sent to AlphaInsider, it's essentially double-checked by a third-party data feed. That is the data. Those are the price points that we are seeing right here. So every buy and sell, we can see if it made money or it lost money on every single trade. And then we can go ahead and track it over time right here. There is a big difference between this and a very pretty, beautiful, upsloping back test that you're going to see a lot of people post from TradingView. Back tests, you could curve fit them. You can really adjust the settings to make it perfect, to make it like never lose a trade. but in reality, the markets are changing, and so it's not going to be that pretty. But if you have a pretty solid upsloping curve like this one on the screen right now, and it's verified by a third party because we know AlphaInsider verifies everything, you're in the right spot, and we can at least trust that it's been profitable. Doesn't guarantee it will continue to be, but that's a great start. Okay, so now we need to figure out how to go from a page like this, where you have all these strategies, let's say we find that we like this one right here, to now automate it. So once you make an account for free on AlphaInsider, you'll be able to subscribe. I've actually already done so, so I'm gonna unsubscribe to show you guys how it actually works. I can subscribe right here to this strategy. Then the next option that it's gonna give me is the option to auto trade the strategy. Boom, right here with the little trading bot icon. I click on that button. I could add this to my existing bot that I already have if I want to, or I can go ahead and make a new trading bot. I'm gonna go make a new one. I prefer for a crypto bot Hyperliquid. If it is a crypto strategy, meaning it trades crypto, for example, this one trades Bitcoin, then we have the options to use Hyperliquid, Bitfinex, and Binance. We've got videos on how to set those all up, for example, right here, if you want to check them out, or on our YouTube channel already. You can start with as little as $100, which I have done specifically in my Hyperliquid bot. Enter your public and private keys from this video right here, and you're literally like 95% there. I already have an existing bot, so I'll show you how it works right here. I could now go in and set my allocation to, let's say, 50% on this strategy and 50% on the one that I had prior on this bot. Click on save. I'll be taken to this page right here where I'll be able to turn the bot on if this button is red, or let it go as it's already green, and it's just going to rebalance the positions automatically for me. My portfolio value is $105.72, which I started with $100 just a couple of days ago. You can create paper trading bots. You can even create multiple strategy bots. So I now have 2 strategies in here. I can go to where it says allocations, and I can go and add additional strategies that I've already subscribed to and add them to my bot. For example, this one right here, and completely customize the percentage of my account that I want to devote to a specific strategy, and it's going to automatically take care of the trades for me. Inside of here, I can see all of the rebalancing, the closing, the stopping, and the starting that I've done, and I have full control by turning the bot off or turning it on. On AlphaInsider, you can create your first bot, which allows you to automate one trading strategy completely for free. You can test things out, see how it works, even try on paper if you really want to. Once you want to add multiple strategies to the same bot or create multiple bots, for example, a stock bot over here, a crypto bot over here, then maybe you want to add a second crypto bot, that's where you have to upgrade your plan to account for the additional strategies and the additional bots you're trying to trade. As always, the link to AlphaInsider will be below this video. Feel free to create your own strategies, build your own bots, watch people's strategies, and see what's actually working, what's not. And I also want to be clear that AlphaInsider doesn't make the strategies on the site. These are from TradingView. Anyone can make them. We don't sell these strategies. They're free to see, they're free to copy, they're free to automate, at least for your first one. Automation is not just for hedge funds anymore. You and I can start automating right now.